My grandfather put it in a very simple way. He's like, you're 21 years old, Matt. You could fall flat on your face 3 times and get back up and do it all over again. He's like, just go for it. You know, just hearing that from my grandpa and just giving me that confidence to do it, I think that was the moment in time that, you know, that gave me the confidence to go. My name is Matthew Lockemy, owner of M&M Garage Doors. We specialize in commercial, residential, garage door repair, installation, and service. I started off as a one-man show, fixing garage doors for a local company here in Detroit. You know, one thing led to another. You know, was looking for more opportunity and I wasn't getting it from my previous employer and decided to start my own business. But initially, when I went off on my own, I wasn't doing it to start a business. I was doing it to just better myself and, you know, my family, and it turned into a business. My goal is to build a company that can allow our people to achieve their goals the same way I want to achieve mine. And if we can structure and build our company in a way that that can happen, that's when you know you win. I want to build something that they can feel like they're a part of. They can grow and achieve their goals and their dreams.
My name is Ben Burgess. I'm a service tech for M&M Garage Doors. We're setting goals. We are completing goals. They're always constantly checking in on, you know, personal goals outside of work. Nick and I do have conversations about what's going on in my personal life. Hey, am I making my goals? Am I setting goals that are achievable as well? Just from your coworkers, your peers, to the management, to even Matt, the owner. It's unbelievable support that everyone brings to you, but it makes you feel welcome as a family.
My name is Lexi, and I'm a customer service representative at M&M Garage Doors. Out of all the companies I work for, I'd say it's my favorite, just because nobody's ever negative. Everyone works as a team, everyone helps everybody out. I can always count on somebody, like if I need help with something, and everyone's so positive too. I've never not looked forward to coming to work.
Ooh, that was one thing I didn't talk about was the branding. It's been a long 12 years, a good 12 years. But I do want to add in there is that we rebrand that company throughout this process. Giving somebody a brand, it means so much to your team, for culture, for the community. Having brand consistency was a very, very big deal.
We're different, and we like being different. We like being the uncomfortable. We don't like to be just set in our ways doing the same thing over and over and over. We're gonna go out, we're gonna try to find a better way to do it.